It is to be expected that from any bank in the world, when any person sends money, a monetary amount will be deducted as fees for the transfer process. You'll discover that this service enables customers to effortlessly send funds online to any location they choose, offering both ease of use and reliability. However, this convenience comes with a nominal financial fee. In fact, it's a service designed to provide and facilitate money transfer operations covering sending and receiving in general. This company began operations in 2010. Since then, it has been recognized for its dependability and trustworthiness, which has led to a remarkable expansion of its global reach. Today, it operates tremendously, generating substantial profits across numerous international countries, particularly Canada and the United States. America. This is a direct consequence of integrating the Internet into the company's recent operations, propelling it into the realm of modern technology. This development has significantly streamlined processes for customers, thereby notably increasing the volume of transfers. This growth is attributed to providing a broad spectrum of services tailored to meet all. It caters to customers' requirements concerning money transfers, providing fairly reasonable fees. In this video, we'll delve into how to register for the Remitly application, the process of money transfer, and the fees that will apply to you when using this application. Download the application, which is available for both Android and iOS. After opening the application, you will see this screen. You can press Join to register as a new user or log in if you already have an account with Remitly. First, the application will ask you where you'd like to send the funds. Pick the country you currently reside in then. From the following list, choose the destination country for your money transfer, and finally, tap Next. Now enter your email address, then enter your password. It's best to choose a secure one, and then press Join Remitly. It will ask if you want to save your password and have it automatically remembered on your phone each time you open the application. You have the option to save your password, but only if you are certain that you are the sole user of your phone. Otherwise, it is advisable to select the first option, which requires you to manually enter your password every time you access the application. This window also asks if you would like to receive notifications when your money arrives via the application. This window will now pop up. To begin your money transfer, simply press Get Started. Please input the amount you wish to transfer and choose the currency. The equivalent amount will then be displayed in the currency of the destination country because the recipient will ultimately receive the funds in their own local currency. Here, the exchange rate details are shown to you. The transfer cost and exchange rate will vary based on several factors. In any case, Remitly charges small fees for the money transfer process. The fees change depending on the circumstances. For example, if a customer selects the economy service for a money transfer, the funds will arrive at the intended location within 3 days and be debited from their bank account. In this specific situation, no transfer fees are charged for utilizing this service. However, when you use the express method, your money will arrive quickly, typically within 24 hours, and then fees will apply to you. This depends on the amount being sent. Conversely, significantly higher fees could be imposed in certain situations. Additionally, if funds are sent to European Union countries, no transfer fees will be applied. Nevertheless, money transfer fees to Canada might be around 1% under normal circumstances, and for the United States they could be as high as 3%, with variations depending on the region and specific situation. Please click Continue. In the next step, select how the money will be received or collected. At this point, you'll need to ask the beneficiary how they wish to receive the funds. This could be either directly deposited into a bank account or as cash, especially if the recipient doesn't possess a bank account. But if they have a bank account, choose withdrawal via the bank. Then you will be asked for information that you must get from the person receiving the transfer. In the initial list, you will find 6 banks available, from which you can choose the most suitable one for your needs. And if you cannot find the name of the bank the recipient uses, you should click on Choose another bank to select from this extensive list of banks. You need to select the bank where the recipient has a bank account. In the next step, enter the recipient's first and last name. Now input the recipient's bank account information, as this will vary depending on their country of residence. Then click Continue. The application will ask if you want to send a text message to the recipient when the money is transferred. Select Yes. Now you need to enter the recipient's phone number. Press Continue. Select the reason for transfer. Now you are required to enter your personal information, which includes your first name, last name, your address, and the postal code for the area where you live. Enter your phone number and your date of birth, day, month, and year. Now, you'll need to input the transfer information. You have the option to enter either your debit card or credit card details for this transaction. If you enter your debit card information, you won't have to pay any extra fees. However, if you choose to pay using a credit card, a fee of approximately 3% will apply to you. Select the card type and enter its information, including the number and expiration date. In the next step, you will be given a summary of the information you have entered. Carefully check the information you entered, then press Send. A message containing an OTP will be sent to your mobile phone. You must enter this OTP here and then wait a short period for the money transfer to be completed. It's one of the top money transfer applications for your smartphone. And you can also learn about other money transfer applications for your smartphone by watching our previous videos on our channel.